For the different areas of care, we'll demonstrate the verification of blood products through scanning. We'll review how to hold, resume, and end a transfusion, and you'll have a hands-on opportunity to practice documenting a transfusion reaction. BCTA is our process for documenting transfusion of blood products. We use scanning technology and electronic documentation to validate patient identity, ensure the correct products are administered, track and access records of blood products and transfusions, and provide automated reporting of transfusion reactions. The process starts with a provider order in CPOE, which is transmitted to the blood bank where they prepare the product. Nursing prepares for administration and is notified the product is ready for pickup. A double check is completed at the bedside and the product is administered. Please select your area of care. For inpatient nursing, ED holding, and if pre-op or PACU are using the status board, transfusion will access the documentation area. You'll see flag indicators. Ready means the product is ready for pickup in the blood bank, and issued confirms that it has been picked up. Trans or transfusing will show the next time vital signs are due. Hold displays if the transfusion has been held after starting. When entering transfusions, you may be asked for a PIN. Before selecting transfusion, the pre-issue check must be completed, and this is done through process interventions. At the top is the choice to add intervention. Type BCTA in the description and click the binocular lookup icon. Highlight and save the BCTA pre-issue checklist. Highlight the newly added intervention and at the top select Document Now. Please complete this pre-issue checklist using the information displayed. Meditech will prompt you to file. Product verification. At the top of this transfusion screen is the patient information. Transfusion events will automatically update, and below is the list of products. At the bottom are the documentation actions. Associated data will display lab values. Vital signs are recorded under the Document button. Capture will import vital signs from a machine, and Document allows for manual entry. Enter the date and time of the vital signs, then click OK. Vital signs can be entered with the clickable keypad or the keyboard. Are there signs and symptoms of a possible reaction? In the lower right corner, back will return you to the transfusion screen. Highlight the unit, and product verification starts in the lower left corner. You'll see this message if your unit is uncrossed. This is the list of items to be verified. Below is the prompt of what to scan next. Scan only the armband on the patient. If the facility uses a separate blood bank wristband, you'll be prompted to scan that band. The check mark indicates a successful scan. You'll be prompted to scan the unit number, the product, the blood type, and expiration date. The source registration number was verified with the unit number. Some markets may use Meditech as the second verification, while other markets utilize a second nurse. The nurse types in their user ID, which may be different from their 3-4 ID, and password. To find your user ID, type N and the backslash and your last name, comma first name, then click the lookup icon. Your Meditech ID is listed as a mnemonic. The next step is to begin the transfusion. Enter the begin date and time. The normal saline volume will be documented at the end of the transfusion.